Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to place test order on Shopify. To set this up, go to your Shopify dashboard. From the bottom left corner, click on Settings. Then click on Payments. Inside Payments, click on Choose a Provider and select Bogus Gateway for testing. This allows you to simulate different types of transactions. You will see three options: an approved transaction, a declined transaction, or a gateway failure. For this tutorial, we will choose an approved transaction. Once ready, click on Activate. Now open your Shopify store like a regular customer. Choose any product, add it to the cart, and proceed to checkout. Fill in your details as usual. You can enter a fake name, address, city, and postal code if you want. For the credit card details, instead of using your actual card, type one as the card number. Once all the details are filled in, continue to the shipping method and then click Pay Now. Your order will be processed and you will see a confirmation that the test order has been placed successfully. This way, you can test your checkout flow without using real money or real cards. If you want to try Shopify, check the link in the description below to register. You'll get 3 months for just $1. Thanks for watching.